Hello, welcome back, croeso, Wales eto. O gwasanaeth Denbych, it's Wales here again from Denbighshire Youth Service. Hope you've all had a lovely Easter weekend. I know I have, feeling refreshed, although not looking refreshed, but feeling refreshed. I'll start the show as we do every time. Just a few house rules. So we operate this platform the same way as we operate any youth club or any youth work provision that we hold throughout the county ordinarily. Respecting each other's comments, no bullying, no bad language, no silly things. Well, a little bit of silly things, but that's just coming from me, but no silly things from you. I'm not sharing too much. It's about being safe online as well. So don't share too much personal information. No locations, no names of other people, and that kind of thing. It's about being safe, isn't it? So we've covered those plenty of times. Not yn ymlaen y Gymraeg, mae'r sesiwn yma I gyd yn ddwyieithog, mae'n groeso i chi gyrru negeseuon y Gymraeg neu'n Saesneg, a mi na I gyfieithu nhw a gyrru nhw'n dod allan yna. Oh, we've got so many people. Shanti, Morgan, hey, how's it going? So that was just a note for Welsh language. So yeah, you're welcome to send your messages in either Welsh or English. I will translate and send them back out their way so everybody can take part. Cool. So tell me who's here, who's in. I've said hello to Morgan. I'm saying hello to Kelly. I'm saying hello to Gemma. I've said hello to Ashanti X. Who else do we have? Keep your messages coming in. Hello, hey, hello, how are you? It's good to see you all. Oh, tell me, have you had a lovely weekend? Let me know about your weekend, because that takes me straight into today's show. And today's show is, can you see that? Isn't that cool? Parad sgwrs, tea and chat. So, something that I am particularly missing. Oh, hi, Jess. Something that I'm particularly... hope you all had a lovely Easter weekend, says Jess. Yes, Jess, I think we did. I'm waiting to hear everyone's responses. Full of chalk, says Kelly. And, hey, I'm here, but what's that? Cleaning the wardrobe, says Emily. Okay, Emily. Cleaning the Easter eggs out of the wardrobe. Well done, Emily. Excuse me. Yeah, so one thing that I'm particularly missing about open access provision is the times that we have tea and chat. So particularly in my youth club sessions, we sometimes decompress, we go off into a corner, we make a lovely cup of tea, and we just have a bit of a moider and a bit of a catch up about people's lives and what's going on and that kind of thing. So I was thinking today's session, we could kind of recreate it, but in a virtual live capacity. That was my thinking. So that really dictates you guys. What do you want to talk about? So I guess we've started it off with a lovely, what's everybody been doing over the weekend? So I like that. So I'll read as they come along. I'll read the comments and we'll start a conversation, because that's what this is all about. It's all about starting a conversation, starting an online conversation and an online community and staying connected. Oh, I forgot. Wellbeing Wednesdays tomorrow. This Tea Tuesdays. See what I did there? Brilliant. So get your cups of tea ready. Right. Gemma says, I played on the Wii and had a Yorkie Easter egg. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, and while Gemma's on, I'll tell you quickly, Gemma's going to be our resident film review expert this week. And Gemma is going to come on Thursday, and she's going to review some films. And I have it on good authority that it will be nothing Marvel related. Good authority. So no, you can review Marvel, can review what you want, but I don't think there's anything upcoming on Marvel, although there's plenty to choose from. So if you want to do that. Oh, Abby, how's it going? Hi, Abby. So what else have you guys been doing? This is all about having a cup of tea and a chat. So please do tell me what you've been up to this weekend. We've got Jess who's asking if everyone's had a lovely weekend. I know you've all had loads of chocolate eggs. I know you've been playing about. Come on, get on board. Tell me what you've been doing. While I sit here quietly and drink my brew. So come on, bring your comments in. What have you been doing this weekend? I had an Easter egg hunt within the boundaries of my property. Sets out an Easter egg challenge where my children, my young participants here, had to run around and tick things off. I didn't know, hey, Abby didn't know it was bank holiday weekend until Jess emailed her Thursday to remind her. Very good, very good. Yeah, it's weird, isn't it? People have stopped referring to days of the week like Monday, Tuesday, and now they're just calling it day 14, day 15, day 16. Isn't that weird? I thought that was quite odd. Something that cropped up today. Oh, Another topic I need to throw out there for you is, while you're bringing in your comments about things you've been up to over the weekend, is our activities that we are sharing online through our Facebook and our Twitters and all those things. Has anybody tried any of them out? And can we have some feedback, please? I'd really like to know if you've done so. We put things up for little science experiments and little craft activities and challenges, the Walk Snowdon challenge, and all these amazing activities that we've been pumping out through our social medias. If anybody has tried any of them, please do comment and let us know. Hi, Mikey, how's it going? Evening all, says Mikey. Hi, Mikey, how's it going? yeah, so do please, if you have tried any of those activities, the salt dough thing, I've tried that one. Brilliant, I had a great time doing that one. I can't remember who sent that in, but thank you very much. But we posted it up on our Facebook and Twitters. And yeah, so if anybody else has had a go at doing any of those, please do let us know how you got on. And I'm still waiting to hear if anybody is anywhere near reaching the summit of Snowdon from their home. So if anybody is, please also do let us know. Right, you're quiet on the comments this evening, guys. What's going on? How's your weekend been? Let me know and I will read you out. Oh, another thing I wanted to mention as we're waiting for you to start this cup of tea and conversation chat thing, this tea and a sgwrs, pan at a sgwrs thing, is your activities. So along with all of our wonderful activities we're posting out there, what other activities have you been doing to keep yourselves busy on day whatever we're on in this lockdown? I've lost counts. I know it's Tuesday. Oh, here we go. We're straight in there talking about activities. Leo, you never let us down. I found a new fitness channel that I really like. What is it? What is it called? Where do we find it? Where is the link? What happens on this channel? And she comes straight in with an answer. Also, my mum's made us do an Easter egg, and me and my siblings are 18 and 19 and 15-year-olds. Oh, cool. So you made your, oh, wicked. Oh, fantastic. So your siblings are 18, 19 and 15, and you've all made an Easter egg. Brilliant. How did that pan out for you? Let us know. Laura Elizabeth says, it's Faith. Hi, Faith. How's it going? Oh, nice to see you. Nice to see you on here. Some new digital faces. Elio. Okay, so this is Elio's suggestion for the fitness channel, I think, that she's found. She's called Chloe Ting and Mad Fit. Mad Fit is really good because they're to pop songs. Oh, right, okay, so you do your fitness things to pop songs. Brilliant, fantastic. Elio, you seem like the fitness guru that we have here. So we may get in contact with you if we ever revive our sports, because we're getting a lot of young people and guests coming on. So stay tuned, Elio. Elio's fitness. Right, Ashanti, me and my mum built a wardrobe. Oh, cool. 4 set of drawers and a bedside table yesterday. Wow, that's impressive. Very, very good. Oh, fantastic. Kelly says, hi to Faith. Nice to see you on our YouTube channel. Yes, it is, and welcome to you all. So that means that people are sharing these links around and we're getting a community built and we're getting new young people in. So that is brilliant. Hello, Faith. Welcome to the show. Apologies that I talk really, really fast and my hands are up in the air, but I'll be quiet today because I'll be drinking my cup of tea, as I'm sure no doubt you'll all be doing as well. Faith is our fantastic young leader in drill. I know exactly who Faith is. I've met Faith. Good to see you. Faith, I'll do the same old joke as I always say every time I see you. Gotta have faith. But it's a reference that you won't get. Right. Yeah, cool. So tell me what else you've been doing. Right. So going back to Elio's fitness person, her name was Chloe Ting and Mad Fit. Chloe Ting, Mad Fit. So yeah, worth checking out, everybody. Great suggestion there by Elio. It's not the Faith you're thinking of, Wills. Haha, all wrong Faith. Oh, sorry. Hey, so new Faith. That's my joke. Gotta have faith. Okay. Apologies. Wrong Faith. It's not the Faith you're thinking of, Wills. Ha ha ha. Well, I don't think so anyway, lol. Confusing. Well, whichever faith, you've got to keep the faith. You've got to keep connected. We're all in together. I get it. My mum likes George Michael. Thank you, Faith. Well done. Yeah, George Michael's brilliant. Careless Whisper. Love it. Oh, well, see, it was the same, Faith. Advertisement for Jack Wills. No. This was made special for me. Wills. I have those of you who come to my youth club down in Llangollen, you'll know that I have the same one in black down there. And when we're having these decompression, panad a sgwrs, tea and chat sessions in Llangollen, you'll usually find me sitting on a beanbag, sipping out of the black one of these, but home is special, so it's pink. Jack Wills. Who's he? I was Wills before he was Wills. Right. Ha says Abby. Right. Okay. So keep your comments coming. What have you been up to? What do we want to talk about in our panels and scores? Let's make this a feature. We've got our Wellbeing Wednesdays coming up tomorrow, but today is Tea Tuesday. I'm running out of hand gestures and themes here. I don't know if I can do an F for a Friday. We'll have to try and figure that out. What did Gemma do? I went round the marine lake for some exercise. Oh, lovely. The marine lake in Rhyl. Yeah, must be, it's the only one, isn't it? With my dad. We did all we did was talk about sixth form. Oh, well, exciting. And, these things need to be discussed, Gemma. It's really important, especially during this time. How are you finding, Gemma, the not doing the exams thing? I'm assuming you're going to go, but I'm guessing sixth form is next step for you. So exciting time. So hopefully, if everything calms back down in September, you'll need to start thinking about these things now, because that's what will be happening in September. But yeah, interesting to know how you found the fair grade proposal rather than having to sit an exam, because I know some young people have been a bit like, no, I feel a bit cheated, but some young people have been like, I know there's one young people in our messages here who thinks it's awesome. So here we go. Faith walked on Marine Lake too. Gemma has found, so Gemma, am I right in thinking that you have found the not doing the exam stressful, to be honest? Well, that is interesting, because a lot of people are thinking that as well. There's a bit of balance. Some people are loving it, some people are hating it. There's loads of information out there. If you have a scan back through our Facebook and Twitter, we've put latest links to the latest government information about that kind of stuff. I'm sure that you're fully equipped with it all. But if you want to talk about anything else related to that stress and your anxieties and feeling, then you can contact us directly, as can everybody on here. You can connect to your youth worker directly through these channels. So you can do it through our Facebook, through our Twitter, and through here, and email us and WhatsApp and all those things. And we can start a conversation with you on more of a private nature. So something like that, if you're thinking, I need a bit of advice, I need just to vent with my youth worker, then by all means, that's what those platforms are for. Right. Morgan says not doing exams is good, but it's also sad because of the experience. Yeah, and that's another thing, people feeling cheated from that experience. 5 years you guys built up to get to that point. And it kind of did, like, obviously, circumstances were quite huge, massive, and they was taken away from you. But I know I've spoken to a couple of young people, one in particular on this platform here, about that kind of last day experience as well, the whole signing the shirt. And as I understand it, his particular school are going to arrange something when all this is over, because that's like a massive milestone. And prom as well, and prom, like, what's happening with prom? Does anybody know? Please let me know. Let's get that information out there. Let's share it with other young people. Morgan, 5 years of preparing and not being able to do it. Yeah, exactly, Morgan. It is. But in a way, all that work you did in 5 years is all going to be assessed to give you your grade, which is what they're calling a fair grade, which I actually think is really good. But like you quite rightly say, you do get robbed of that experience, although sometimes I think that's a little bit of an unnatural experience, and perhaps taking a cross-shot of all the work you've done over the years is fairer, in my opinion. But, guys, this is not about my opinion, it's about your opinion. So please do let me know. Ashanti, I'm so relieved I'm not sitting mine. Yeah, well, see the balanced view we've got here. Some are feeling cheated, some are feeling stressed, some are feeling really relieved. So, it's an interesting topic, isn't it? Faith, I prefer to be in school doing GCSEs instead of being at home. Would you really? Well, have we got to that critical point now where it's gone, we've gone like, oh, I just want to go back to school? Is everyone getting a little bit fed up? Now, is it time to go? Is it like the summer holidays when you get to about week 4.5, 5, and you're thinking, oh, I just miss everybody and I want to go back to see everybody? I'm feeling a little bit like that, but you know what? Stay in for the greater good. That's the whole point here. It's about protecting lives. And I'm sure we can just, like I said last week, we can do this. One more push, one more plow through, and we can totally do this, guys. But it is, I understand it is very stressful. Perhaps if you guys want to talk about these things more in depth with the youth worker that you are more used to, your specific youth workers in your specific areas, please do use these platforms and Facebook and Twitter and stuff to message us directly, and I will connect you to those workers. Right, who else have we got? I will continue in September sometime for prom. Oh, yeah, okay. Oh, so I will continue in September sometime for prom. So what, perhaps they're going to be doing a prom in September? That sounds really promising, because that's a major milestone. That is the celebration of all your efforts, isn't it? So it is be real shame if they were cut. My prom is September. Hold on, my screen has gone off. We have, oh, my screen has gone off again. How are your cups of tea, by the way? Oh, crikey. Put the wrong password in. Hold on, guys. I'm back. Right. How was your cups of tea, by the way? Mine is delicious. Even better drunk out of a pink mug with my name on it. Gemma says, my prom is in September. I've had to cancel my hair and makeup, but hopefully I'll be able to walk in heels. Yeah, same here. It's a nightmare walking in heels, Gemma. It's all about the calf structure. That's what I find, balance. And that's no exaggeration. I do own a pair of pink heels, but it's strictly for performance purposes. Yeah, so prom, okay. So, yeah, well, that's okay. So hair and makeup can be rescheduled, so that's not a problem. You have plenty of time to practice, Gemma. Yes, you do. You have now more time on your hands to practice and learn a new skill. And what better way to channel your energy than learn to walk in heels? Great advice there from Jess down in the south of the county. Talk about Jess. After lockdown, this is from Faith again. After lockdown is lifted, we still have a party. How many times has this come up? This is such a good idea. Party/meal. I will borrow my mum's popcorn maker. Oh, and a candy floss machine. Who has a popcorn maker and a candy floss machine? That's amazing. Yeah, that is such a good idea. I think that is on the top of the agenda for most young people and most youth workers for when this lockdown is lifted and everything returns to normal, as normal as it can. When open access provision is reinstated, I think we should have a county-wide party in youth clubs, I think. And I feel like Faith's popcorn and candy floss machine are going to be well used. Oh, well done. Good suggestion, Faith. We like that. Gemma, I think this is a question about heels. Try being 5'3" and having tiny feet and try and walking in heels. Okay, well, try being 5'11" and walking in heels. Well, very good. We think that is a brilliant idea. Yes, absolutely. So we've got people, I think this is for your idea, Faith, about having these parties around the county in the youth club. So what's that? It was kind of your idea and my idea, and we merged them together. But people are really on board with that idea. I can't wait to be able to go out for my 18th. Oh, wow. When's your 18th, Emily? Let us know. Or has it been? Has it been? Have we missed a birthday celebration? I could have made a virtual birthday cake on here if I'd have known. I feel bad now. Let us know, Emily. When was your birthday? Oh, I like this panad and chat things. You know, if you ever come to one of my youth club sessions in Corwen or Llangollen, it's the kind of stuff we do sometimes. We just get the bean bags together, boil the kettle, get a bag of biscuits. Who says bag of biscuits? We get a pack of biscuits and we sit around and we have just a general catch up about life and what's been going on in the world. Let's see. Faith says, I might have to spend my 14th birthday at home. My sister, well, you know what? You're with your sister, so you're very, very lucky that you get to spend that with your family. Some people have not been able to do that. Some people are isolated away from the family, people who live in different parts of the country and spending their birthdays alone. So you're very, very lucky that you're at home with your loved ones and your siblings and your parents. So that's brilliant stuff. No, May the 22nd, but I'm unsure where the lockdown will be lifted by then. Oh, okay, May the 22nd. That gives us a good 5 weeks, doesn't it? I think I heard something today that this could potentially be lifted by the 18th of May, but do not take that verbatim. That's just something that I heard in one of these newspaper posts on social media today. The 22nd of May, we hope. Good. Oh yeah, cool. And I tell you what, remind me closer to the dates, Emily, because if we're still doing these live sessions then, which I hope we are, because I'm really enjoying them. Don't know about you, but I'm enjoying them. But if we are, then we'll have a virtual party. And talking about virtual parties, Elio, my birthday is Saturday, this coming Saturday. So I'm having a lockdown birthday as well. Oh wow! Oh right. We need to make a note. We need a virtual birthday cake. I'm actually making this note. Virtual bee cake for Elio for Friday show. Right, we're going to sing virtual happy birthday. Bring your birthday. Oh, I feel like CBBC or something. Send in your birthday wishes. Brilliant. Oh, cool. So yeah, make the most of it, Ellie. Birthday lockdown. I'm sure it'll be great. Like I said to Faith, Faith earlier. Was it? Yes. That, oh, Ellie, you're going to be 19. Oh, that's amazing. Fantastic. You won't forget that, will you? You won't forget that. You're having these birthdays locked down, but you're getting to spend them with your family, which is the most important thing, right? But I'm sure if you're 19, you probably would have liked to have gone out and spent your birthday in a different way, but we're living in different times at the moment, and it's about being safe. Oh, cool, right, but virtual birthday coming Friday. Happy birthday, Ellie. Not yet. Coming on Saturday. All right, my birthday is Saturday. Yeah, it's coming on Saturday. Gemma Prime, luckily or unluckily, my 17th birthday is on December the 25th. Oh, yeah, we've had this conversation before. Gemma has her birthday on Christmas Day. Christmas Day. I've only ever met one other person who has their birthday and Christmas name, and his name was Jesus. No. His name was Hyun. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh, sorry, I've set myself off now. Right. Happy birthday, Gemma, for the 25th of December. Right. Oh, Liverpool. Who's going to Liverpool? Emily's going to Liverpool. Liverpool sounds amazing right now. Yeah, well, it would if we weren't on lockdown. But when the lockdown is over, you'll be free to roam these British Isles, go crazy. Emily went to Liverpool on a Leavers Do. Said it was really, really good. Oh, yeah, cool. See, well, Leavers Do. That takes us back to the first point. People are not getting these Leavers Do's at the moment. And if that's you and you're out there and you're feeling a bit of anxiety and stress or disappointment or just want to generally vent about what's going on with the school situation and you're feeling a little bit robbed or cheated, please do continue that chat with us, your youth workers. I'll connect you to the what. If you want to speak to me directly, use those platforms. That's great. Use Twitter, Facebook, and all that. If you want to connect to a specific youth worker, like for instance, if you live in the Prestatyn area, you might want to speak to Mikey or Joe or Jerry, some of those familiar faces. If you're living in the Rhyl area, it might be Kelly and Claire and the rest of the amazing team up there. If it's the south of the county, you might want to connect with Amanda or Kelly. If it's the middle of the county, you might want to connect with Jim and Tiddir and Amy and all those the amazing team we've got working behind the scenes. If this is you and you're thinking, oh, I recognize that name, Jim, that's the guy, then you connect to us through here and I will point you in their way. We can continue these conversations with you. Or we just carry on here. Right. What else I wanted? Yes. Oh, that's right. We're getting close to the end of the show. God, you know what? Time flies when you're drinking tea and having chats. Something I am quite keen to bring up is tomorrow is Wellbeing Wednesdays. Wellbeing Wednesdays, for those of you who are new watching, is an opportunity where we all just get together on here and discuss ways to keep our well-being and mental health protected during this time. So we'll have other kinds of tips and things that we've found on the internet. Also, please keep sending in your suggestions. I love your suggestions. You guys find some amazing things. And that's what this platform is all about staying connected and sharing and creating a community. So if you find things that you think, oh, that's a good tip, or you have a good tip, please do let us know. We'll make that part of the show. So tomorrow's Wellbeing Wednesdays. Don't forget Wellbeing Wednesdays tomorrow. Next, so we've got Tea Tuesdays, Wellbeing Wednesdays. We've got the film review thing on Thursday with Gemma. But what else do you guys want on this platform? So please keep sending suggestions. What do you want to discuss? What do you want us to look at? So we've looked at foodie things. We've looked at sporty things. All the kinds of things that we do ordinarily in the youth club. We've done quizzes. There's so many things we've done. I can't even remember now. But if you're thinking, oh, do you know what I'd really like to do, or can we do this? Yes, you can. This is a youth-led platform. Whatever you want to do, you send it to whatever you want to do, you send it to me, and we'll work it out from there. And we'll do it live on here. So yeah, what did I say? I said Wellbeing Wednesday. I said film review. Oh, have you? I posted a video on our Facebook today from one of our workers, another amazing worker working behind the scenes, Fran. She's new to the team. She's done a hair tutorial. For those of you interested, Morgan, are you interested? Hair tutorial. But it's up there on Facebook now for you to have a look at. Really good stuff, really simple stuff. We've got a cooking tutorial coming up as well over the next couple of days from Joe. Also, Tids' new vids, Tids' vids, Life on a Farm with Tids will be on Facebook this week, as well as they're all coming out the woodwork now. They all want to be famous. They all want to come on camera. Jim's Garden Games as well. So and other youth workers are working really hard behind the scenes now to home in their talent to create these videos. What is the Facebook page, please? I will tell you. Denbighshire Youth Service, at DC Youth Service. Same as here, at DCC Youth Service, or just go to Facebook and type in, Denbighshire Youth Service, or Gwasanaeth Ieuenctid Sir Dinbych. There you go. Type down to Facebook and you'll find it. Like the page, and then there's loads of cool activities. You're welcome, Faith. You're absolutely welcome. There's loads of activities and videos. We post Tids' vids, Life on a Farm. We've got these tutorials coming up that the team are working hard behind the scenes to create. And loads of stuff there. So yeah, continue the conversation on there. And that is it for today. Thank you all very, very much for taking part. It's been lovely chatting with you and drinking cups of tea. It's been really, really fun. Maybe we should make this a regular Tea Tuesdays. What do you think? I quite like that idea. Just have a general moider about things that are going on, and like we would in any youth club, but we'd usually do it around the pool table or sitting on a beanbag. But we're doing it from the comfort of our home, so all good. Elio is going to be coming up live with us soon, doing a fitness tutorial. So that's good, isn't it, Ellie? Yay. No, seriously, we need a resident fitness expert. And me, I don't think I'm the man for the job. So if you're keen to share your fitness tips, please do get involved. Right, that's us for today. Thank you very, 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 very much for watching and taking part, as usual. Diolch yn fawr am cymryd rhan eto. Dych chi'n fantastic. You're amazing. I will be back here tomorrow with Wellbeing Wednesdays. Oh, Faith, could you do a video playing your violin? I know which Faith you are now. Right, I know which Faith you are now. You're the what do you call a violin player? Violinist? Yes, that would be good. Yeah, we could have that, a violin. That would be good. Oh, maybe we could. Oh, Kel, you've got my interest back. I was just saying goodbye then. How about we have a Britain's Got Talent from home thing? There's a good idea. Yeah, violin would be amazing to see, says Abby. Yeah, it would be. Yeah, a bit of culture. That's what we need, a bit of culture in Denbighshire Youth Service. That's what we need. Stop this brew drinking nonsense. Let's get a bit of culture on. How about that? Who else has got talents? Does anybody know anybody who's got any talents out there that we could get onto the show to do stuff like this? So we've got a violinist. Is that a thing? I'll have to tune it. Then yes. Oh, cool. There we go. We're in. We've got a violin player coming up. Maybe we could have a whole musical themed show. That would be good. Or just general, yeah, Denbighshire's Got Talent or something like that. Brilliant. Fantastic suggestions. Right. Now I am off. Oh, no, I'm not, because the comments keep on rolling. It'd be lovely to see. My daughter plays the violin. She would love it. Oh, there you go. Fantastic. So, right. We've got music coming up on the show soon. Once again, diolch yn cymryd. Thank you for taking part. I will be back tomorrow with Wellbeing Wednesdays. Oh, look, Wellbeing Wednesdays. And yeah, enjoy the rest of your lovely, lovely evening. Thank you very much. Diolch yn cymryd. Thank you. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.